What's up, guys? So if you're trying to see how I got this look, then just keep on watching. By the way, this is my first time ever doing a full face and actually wearing foundation because I just bought this foundation from Target, so I'm actually really excited. Anyways, this is me puckering my lips to show you that I have big lips, and then we're going to be moving on to brushing my hair behind my ears because it's a lot of hair and it was getting in my face and it was getting really annoying. So then I'm just going to use this moisturizer, and I have psoriasis, and this is what this moisturizer is for, so it's really good for my skin, and I'm just rubbing that all over my face. And then I was looking at my hand because I was like, why does it feel like that? It felt really liquidy and watery, which is actually really good for my skin. I don't like really thick moisturizers because that tends to give me pimples, and I don't like when my face breaks out. Then I'm tying my hair back even more because it's really getting my face, and then pulling out some strands so I don't look like an egghead. Whoa. Then I'm going to be applying this foundation. This is the foundation that I bought the other day, and I applied way too much, as you can see. And look at that blend. Look how just seamlessly it's blending into my skin. Like, it is literally blending so perfectly. Perfect match. And this is in the shade 335. Sis, you have it backwards. Turn it. Good job. Good job. So then I'm going to be, ooh, cute. And I don't know what I was doing right here. I was looking at something. Then I'm going to be applying some lines on my face with my concealer. You know, just stroke, stroke, stroke. Trying to make sure that we get snatched. Then I'm going to be applying some on my nose as well because I want to make sure that it gets snatched. Then I'm just going to be blending, 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 blending. And, mental breakdown. Then I dropped something because I'm a clumsy piece of dirt, and then I'm just gonna be contouring my face with some dark powder, with powder that's darker than my face, and then using that same brush to brush away the powder that's on my face. You know, I'm baking, I'm getting baked, you know, whatever. That's why my shirt's green. That made no sense. Anyways, I'm trying to be a beauty guru to show you guys the brush in front of the camera like every other beauty guru does, even though I'm not a beauty guru. And then I'm using that same powder that I contoured my cheeks with, and I'm just going along my nose. Is that called a bridge of your nose? Yeah, following my contour lines. And then yeah, and I applied some lashes because I was feeling really spiffy today. Then, oops, I forgot something. Was she thick? Oh wait, she's back. So then I'm gonna be using this liner stuff, brown liner, and then I'm just going, same thing I use for my eyebrows actually, and then I'm just going to go over my lips with that, just the outside though, not the whole thing because I'm already black. Don't need my lips blended with my face. Then I'm just gonna grab the lip gloss and use this brush and blend it out, and just keep blending basically. Yeah, just rub that. And this is the moment where my Nana came in and she started talking to me about stuff, and so you'll see me like look at her and look back and talk and stuff, but you can't hear me talking because I have it on mute. So twinkle twinkle little star, how I wonder what you are, up above a world so high, like a oh, that's kind of boring actually. Let me think of a rap song. What's a rap song? Um, um, I'm a savage. Classic, boozy, ratchet. Sassy, moody, nasty. Look at those lips. Oh my gosh, smackalicious. I'm sorry. They look so good. I look so good. I don't even know. I forgot. No, I didn't forget what we were talking about. Anyways, yeah, so I'm just going to take down my hair because this, you know, it's basically the finished look, even though I got that little crimp in my hair because it was in a ponytail forever. But anyways, yeah, it took me a long time to do this makeup look. I know this video is short, but it actually really took a long time. Then, I'm just going to fluff out my hair to make me look cuter. And yeah, that's basically the finished look. Look at her. She popping. And this is the moment when I was like, oh my god, because like I couldn't recognize myself. Like, look. I was like, oh my god. Like, anyways, so yes, and this video. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, anyways, bye.